Hi guys, welcome to my SAT math channel where I dive into each math question and help you get 70, 50 plus on your math on the SAT. So here's a linear question, and basically a rabbit should eat 25 calories per pound, which is 25x, plus an additional 11 calories. Which equation represents the situation where C is the total number of calories the vet recommends the rabbit should eat each day if the rabbit's weight is X pounds? So basically, we know this is the y-intercept. So it should be D. And should eat 25 calories per pound, this is the slope. A special camera is used for underwater ocean research. The camera is at a depth of 39 fathoms. What is the camera's depth in feet? So they give us 1 fathom equals 6 feet. So we'll just plug in 39 times 6, and it'll be 234. So keep in mind this is the easy module. The questions will gradually get harder and harder. This is practice test 5, by the way, on the College Board Bluebook app. In the figure, line M is parallel to line N, and line K intersects both lines. Which of the following statements is true? The value of x is less than 145, the value of x is greater than 145, the value of x is equal to 145, or the value of x cannot be determined. So since these are vertical angles, their value can be reflected. So it should be the value of x is equal to 145. Sorry, not vertical, reflective angles. The function f represents the total cost in dollars of attending an arcade when X games are played. How many games can be played for a total cost of $58? So this is like an easy Desmos question. We'll just plug in 58 equals 14 plus 4x, and we'll get our answer with the x-intercept, and that would be 11. So we'll just put 11 here, and let's go to the next question. If 4x minus 28 is equal to negative 24, what is the value of x minus 7? So what we have to realize is we can take out the 4 from 4x minus 28, and we can take out 4 from negative 24. This would mean x minus 7 is equal to negative 6. The amount of Hannah's bill for a food order was 50%. Hannah gave a tip of 20% of the amount of the bill. What is the amount in dollars of the tip Hannah gave? So this is just 20%, which can be represented in a decimal form like this, times 50, and that would be $10. On to the next question. So this one, I recommend just like reading the question first. A 6 nest with 121 eggs is added to create a new data set. Which of the following correctly compares the means of the two data sets? So the mean of the original data set should be higher because 121 will like lower the mean. So A is the right answer. The shaded region shown represents the solutions to which inequality? For this question, you can use the plug-in formula, but what you can also do is you can Desmos each answer choice and find the right answer. So try to find that. It's not that. Let's try to make this smaller. Minus 3x. No. It actually could be this one. I think it is. Wait, sorry. I didn't look at oh, yes. Yep. I took too long on that one. My bad. Next question. Which expression is equivalent to 8x cubed plus 8 minus x cubed minus 2? So this one, we should distribute the negative sign to the second parentheses. So 8x cubed minus x cubed is 7x cubed, and then minus sign times negative 2 is plus 2. So it'd be 7x3 plus 10. In the xy plane, 9t passes through points 0, 9, and 117. Which equation defines 9t? So we already know that the y-intercept is 9, so we can limit b and c. It should be a or d. How we can find the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 17 minus 9, 8. 1 minus 0, 1. So slope is 8. What is the solution to the given equation? So this one is just 30 or negative 30, because if 30 or negative 30 is d, then this would multiply to 0, and 0 minus 7 is equal to negative 7. A store sells 2 different sized containers of blueberries. The store sales of these blueberries totaled $89.86 last month. The equation 4.51x plus 6.07y is equal to 896 plus 86 represents the situation where x is the number of smaller containers sold and y is the number of larger containers sold. According to the equation, what is the price in dollars of each smaller containers? Sorry. That was a really big sentence, so let me just break it down. This is basically a system of equations question, and the best way to tackle this is by using decimals. So first, let me oh, sorry, I misread the question. So x is the number of smaller containers sold, and 4.51 times x. So each smaller container is equal to $4.50.